cottonrags, all from the China. The whitet-shirtsrags, 3 to 4 container per day, 90 to 100 container per month, all from the FANSUNG group. Quality guarantee. 30 days. We export it to the Japan, Korea, Australia, New Zealand, USA, Canada, and Europe. 3 to 4 container per day, 90 to 100 container per month. Warmly welcome your visit here. We cut it very seriously. Remove the label. Remove the label. Study very seriously. You can check. All this is for the Korea, for the Japan, for the USA, for the Canada. Warmly welcome your inquiry. All quality is 30 days quality guarantee. FANSUNG China. You can see the packaging. Three to 4 container per day, 90 to 100 container per month. All quality is 30 days quality guarantee. FANSUNG Group, China.